Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You should open Mendeley Desktop and Microsoft Word now. Make sure both are running under the same user. In Mendeley, choose Tools, then install MS Word plugin. This places the Cytomatic tools into Word. Once installed, restart Word so the new ribbon appears. You're doing this to let Word call citations directly from your Mendeley library, which saves manual formatting and keeps references consistent across documents. Once Word restarts, open your document and locate the References or Mendeley Cytomatic tab. This is how Word talks to Mendeley. Click Insert Citation, type an author name or title, then choose the correct item, press Enter to drop the citation into text. When you need a bibliography, click Insert Bibliography and Mendeley compiles all used citations into a formatted reference list. Make sure to pick the correct citation style because that controls punctuation, order, and layout. Finalize by saving your document and using the refresh button so any new Mendeley changes update citations and the bibliography. If you need a different style, use the Style drop-down. Switching updates all entries automatically. If something goes wrong, reinstall the Word plugin from Mendeley or enable the COM add-in in Word options, right arrow add-ins. Also make sure antivirus or admin policies aren't blocking the connector. This fixes most integration issues quickly, so you can keep writing without citation errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.